That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today I have 3 DIY crop tops for you guys. And for the first one, you're just going to need a plain tank top. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut the tank top in half. So I found that it was easier to cut along the seams if I flip the shirt inside out. And you're going to want to cut up to about half the t-shirt. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to flip it over and you're going to cut the back half in half like I'm doing right now. Now you're going to want to make a straight line down the front of the shirt so that you can cut it in half. Look how easy that is. And you're all done. You have a brand new crossover crop top. Alright, for the next look, you're just going to need a plain t-shirt. For this one, I use my college t-shirt. And what you're going to want to do is make a straight line across the t-shirt, depending on how long you want the crop top to be. And then you're just going to cut across that line. Then you're just going to stretch out the fabric at the bottom so that the ends roll up. I also folded the sleeves so that they were cuffed. And then bam! You got a brand new crop top. For this last look, you will need a needle and thread. And I'm taking a crop top that I already had and I'm going to turn it into a halter top. For this, I'm using a halter top that I already have as a guide for the shape that I want. Now your lines don't have to be perfect, but you want to try to get the sides as even as possible. So I know this shirt is kind of dark so you can't really see properly, but you're going to cut the back half of the shirt into half. And you're going to see as I'm cutting it now. Now you're going to take the fabric that's left in the back and you're going to cut it in half so that you can use that to tie around the back. Now you're going to take a piece of fabric from earlier that you cut off and you're going to use that to sew onto the collar. And once you're done sewing that together, that's it. brand new halter top.